You like that?
Airplane. Watch. Is it scary? What? Go over there with Drew. Yeah, go watch.
Hey, come on, Andrew. Come on.
Where's the airplane?
Here it comes.
It's flying. Oh, I thought it was flying backwards.
No.
What are you doing, Drew? Come on.
Hey, Jackson.
There you go.
You see the airplane?
Whoa.
Probably easier to watch him standing. Yeah, these are cute pants. There he goes. Up, up, and away.
Whoa.
Here it comes. It's coming down. Here it comes. What, you can't share Mommy's leg?
Who's got you?
Whose lap are you sitting on?
You say Mandy?
Airplane?
Airplane, yeah. We're probably not going to get much out of him other than airplane.
Whoa, did you see it?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Look at the moon, too, huh? Whoa. Uh-huh. There it goes. Whoa. Crash. Crash.
No crash.
Yeah.
No crash. Let's not crash. Did plenty of that.
So you can fold them